हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ द क्रैश पॉड। पिछले वीडियो के कमेंट्स में हमने काफ़ी सारे आप लोगों के कंसर्न्स भी देखे थे, हमने Q&A भी किया था, जिसके बाद वी गॉट अ लॉट मोर क्वेश्चंस एंड वी स्पोक अबाउट फ्रेंडशिप्स एंड फ्रेंडशिप ब्रेकअप्स आल्सो इन अ वीडियो। उस वीडियो में भी और Q&A वीडियो के भी कमेंट्स में काफ़ी लोगों ने बोला था दैट दे आर फीलिंग वेरी लोनली, आइदर दे डोंट हैव फ्रेंड्स और दे हैड अ फ्रेंडशिप ब्रेकअप सडनली।
how to make new friends.
तो आज हमने सोचा उसी के बारे में बात करते हैं। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्पीक अबाउट लोनलीनेस एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग टू गेट आउट ऑफ द वे इज यार हर कोई लोनली है, मतलब मैं भी हूँ, तू भी है यार, रह चुकी है पहले लाइफ में। सो दिस इज जस्ट हाउ इट इज। वुड यू लाइक टू शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस?
Yeah. So basically, I have spent almost 12 years of my life without my parents because अब मैं boarding school में थी, फिर मैं बॉम्बे आ गई थी for education.
यू वर स्टडीइंग हियर, तो
Yeah.
वहाँ पे अकेले ही रह रहे थे
So,
या पीजी में?
हाँ, मैं पीजी में फ्लैट ऐसे लेके मैं हमेशा अलग ही रही हूँ. And loneliness has always come in like ऐसा waves and phases. ऐसा ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि मुझे like पूरा महीना lonely feel हुआ है, but there have been multiple phases या days where I felt very lonely.
Especially when you
Yeah.
shift to a new place, then
Exactly.
starting your life fully from scratch and a
Yeah.
new friend circle.
And coming to a new place जहाँ पे सबका already friend circles होता है, and to fit in, to enter that, and even when you enter, अगर आप कोई welcoming भी करता है, like you don't know if they really love you as much as they love your other friends. So
Yeah.
थोड़ा difficult होता है in the start. So I will not say I've never felt lonely. I've felt lonely multiple times, and कितनी बार maybe like a week back also I must have felt lonely.
Which is a
तो-
really good thing to know. Like
Yeah.
loneliness is not a thing जिसे आप आज solve कर दोगे तो कल दोबारा नहीं आएगी.
Yeah.
It's like wherever your life takes you, you will have ups and downs. Sometimes your own mood is not great, so you disconnect with people थोड़े
Exactly.
महीने and then
Hmm.
ऐसे हो जाता है. For me it's the opposite. Like the field that I work in, everybody is lonely. आप किसी भी यूट्यूबर से पूछ लो, that's the reality. Because हमें घर बैठकर ही वीडियोस बनाने होते हैं और अगर आपको बहुत काम करना है तो आपको उतना और घर बैठना पड़ेगा. आपको जितने आइडियाज़ लगाने हैं आपको उतना और अकेले बैठ के वो आइडियाज़ लिखने पड़ेंगे. So पता भी नहीं चलता and we disconnect.
That brings me to a question for you,
Yeah.
because just you're a YouTuber. So a lot of times people think that people who are YouTubers have like very ऐसा happening life and very happy-go-lucky life, right? But कितनी बार Instagram के formats change होते हैं and a lot of times engagement ऊपर नीचे होता है,
हाँ.
right? Sometimes your videos might get 1 million views, sometimes it can stop at 100k views. तो जब आपका engagement कम होता है, do you feel lonely or do you connect that with your loneliness a little bit?
So the comments and the engagement ऐसा not really with personal loneliness, that
Yeah.
comes with the people around you only.
Mhm.
But like you said, in general though इस field में there is a lot of loneliness and you end up disconnecting with people. So ऐसा है कि even if a million people are watching me, if 1,000 people are commenting and I can interact and reply to them all also, that's going to stop at some point and I'm still going to be in my room alone. So that doesn't help with loneliness.
Okay.
And so it neither does it help and neither does, like if it doesn't come तो ऐसा है कि I feel more lonely, ऐसा नहीं है.
So ऐसा
So
कभी हुआ
that's
you
different.
are very sad and you're like ऐसा bed rotting, but you've still posted a happy picture and showed people that you're happy?
That's always there because I anyway always post pictures after I've come back from a trip or something. मैं बहुत late post करती हूँ तो mostly ऐसे ही होता है that I'm very bored, I have nothing to do, I have nobody to talk to, मेरे पास काम भी नहीं है तो मैं अपनी ही गैलरी देखी, हाँ वो अच्छी फोटो है, let me post that. So it's mostly when I'm actually like ऐसे पूरा relaxed and in my pajamas, not looking that good, but वो पुरानी
Yeah.
फोटो I post that.
You know, like you said कि sometimes you're sitting alone and कितनी बार क्या होता है ना, काफ़ी लोग alone और loneliness को confuse कर देते हैं.
Yeah.
Like being alone is a physical thing. Like you're choosing to be alone. Maybe happy, maybe sad. You may be happy alone, you may be sad alone. You never know. आप आज कैफे जाओगे, आप अकेले जा रहे हो, अपना वर्क लेके जा रहे हो. People might look at you, and a lot of people look at people who are sitting alone and they feel like, oh shit, I feel bad for the person who's sitting
Yeah.
alone, right? But being alone is a physical state. Like you can choose to be alone, but being lonely is more of an emotional state. You don't choose to be lonely.
Yeah, that person sitting in the cafe, how do they actually feel?
Yeah.
Either they can feel really good कि वो नया cafe try करके वहाँ पर काम करने आया because they wanted that space and they wanted to be alone.
Yeah.
बस focus लग रहा है, so they're happy. But if somebody's sitting there like अरे यार, I have to be here and I wish there was somebody here with me, or if I could speak to somebody, then that person is feeling lonely. So it's the same person, but it's about their internal
Emotional
state.
Yes. There's a huge difference. Being alone is more of a physical state. Being lonely is more of an emotional state.
That's true. So now that we know कि loneliness emotional state होता है, लेकिन ये emotions आते कैसे हैं, that is more of the question. Now sometimes things actually do happen, like
Yeah.
you aren't able to fit into a group, but sometimes it's different factors also. So now we are going to talk about all of those factors. For me currently the main factor is that मेरा सारा काम घर से है, and then once I start using my phone, like that's the second reason, once I start using my phone I scroll and scroll and scroll for hours.
Yeah.
And पता चलते चलते रात हो जाती है, फिर 10-11 बज जाते हैं, and उसके बाद none of my friends are available. So mostly my problem is that.
Yeah.
And I think that happens to a lot of people as well. Social media एक अच्छा escape बन गया, एक नया world बन गया है. So you end up spending hours gaming, scrolling, watching videos, movies and stuff, and you feel like आपका time तो occupy हो रहा है, तो कुछ चलता रहता है, तो you don't realize.
Yeah.
But then once we switch it all off and you go to sleep, that when you realize यार वैसे तो would have been nice to meet someone, would have been nice to talk and have friends. So that is one of the reasons.
Yeah. If you ask me, multiple reasons are there. I feel why people are lonely.
Yeah.
And to start with, not saying that this is the direct reason for loneliness, but these are some factors that can impact your loneliness. To start with, पहले ना इंडियन फैमिलीज में बहुत फोकस था ऑन जॉइंट फैमिलीज, एंड नाउ द शिफ्ट इज हैपनिंग टू न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज. तो व्हेन यू आर इन अ जॉइंट फैमिली यू आर फोर्स्ड टू बी इन अ सपोर्ट सिस्टम,
Either cousins
Yeah.
or grandparents or somebody. Yeah.
And I'm not saying that they might be supportive, sometimes of course not, but a lot of times people have supportive people around them, so you are bound to feel less lonely. Right? But आजकल क्या हो रहा है ना कि काफी लोग मूव आउट कर रहे हैं टू लिव अलोन एंड टू स्टडी अब्रॉड और लाइक यू नो टू वर्क अब्रॉड, राइट? सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे लीविंग द फैमिलीज व्हिच इज हेल्पिंग देम, नॉट हेल्पिंग देम बट मेकिंग देम गो अवे फ्रॉम सपोर्ट सिस्टम, राइट? Secondly, I feel like आजकल क्या हो रहा है ना, if I open your Instagram, right? Now if I don't meet you personally, I will feel like you are having the best life,
Yeah.
right? तो मुझे if you tell me I'm lonely, I'll find it hard to believe.
Yeah.
Because your stories, your highlights, everything is well curated.
Yeah.
So आजकल लोग क्या ना, when they see someone else's life, they start comparing.
Yeah.
Oh, this person has 10 best friends. I only have 2.
Yeah.
But people don't realize that having 2 best friends also is a privilege. You know, like
Totally.
अगर आपके पास 2 best friends हैं, then you're lucky. Because a lot of people do not even have 2 best friends
That's
around them, right? And also I feel like आजकल the focus is so much on hustle culture कि लोग है ना काम को इतना glorify कर रहे हैं कि they don't spend intentional time with their friends, right? So it's almost like, oh, I'm very busy, I work a lot, and when they meet their friends also they talk
Yeah.
about work. So there's no balance of work and life. So you know, sometimes if I meet you, I want to talk about personal things, but if you start the conversation with, okay, how's work, I'll be bound to talk about work, right?
Yeah.
So I feel like hustle culture also has somewhere made us lonely, and थोड़ा dating culture भी change हो गया है. You know, पहले it was more deeper, meaningful. People felt less lonely. Now it's very surface level. It
Yeah.
starts with your first impression.
Totally.
Yeah, like I'm swiping
Yeah.
based on how you're looking,
Yeah.
right? So I feel like these are some factors that I feel like people might feel lonely.
The connections are not that meaningful. In fact मैंने ये भी सुना है लोगों से कि Monday to Friday ऑफिस होता है, काम होता है, तो वहाँ पे उनके पास भी टाइम नहीं है, but Saturday Sunday they feel very like पूरे हफ्ते काम के, have to go somewhere, have to do something, but I don't have anyone. So on Saturday and Sunday they will install a dating app, they will meet some new person, they'll hang out with them over the weekends, and Monday they'll delete the app again. If the conversation goes well, they'll stay connected, otherwise they won't even care. ऐसा है कि मतलब people just want to fill that void for a temporary time.
Very simple question. When you travel with a friend and you're in a flight, more than focusing on having meaningful conversation with a friend, we will have a to-do list for the flight also. Then मुझे सारे गैलरी डिलीट करने हैं, अपने सारे unnecessary images डिलीट करने हैं.
जबरदस्ती कुछ गाने सुनने हैं, कोई शो डाउनलोड किया है वो देखना है, but that's not वो आप घर पे भी करते हो. So that is the thing, like the conversations are not going deeper even if you have people in your life, or even if you're seeking connections, you're seeking very quick, like this is not Blinkit and Instamart कि मतलब अभी मुझे दोस्त चाहिए तो 5 मिनट में कोई प्रकट हो जाए, और फिर जब मुझे नहीं चाहिए तो वो निकल जाए. And that's happening even with normal friendships also.
Absolutely.
That people want their friends to be free whenever they are free, and also to do what they want to do. फिर कोई मना कर देता है तो अरे ठीक है, no plan, now I'm alone.
Simple change that I've noticed कि जैसे पहले like few years back जब कोई friend call करते थे तो we would be like, hi, how are you, what's up? And nowadays the first thing is like, हाँ बोलना क्या काम है? You know, we feel like people have called you for work.
Yeah.
So a lot of times, even if I want to catch up with you, I might not be able to open up because your first line is हाँ बोलना क्या काम है?
Yeah.
So you know, I might feel like, okay, shit, I must have to keep the conversation short. So yeah.
There's also one more thing which I've heard from a lot of friends, is that I didn't pick up your call because whenever we speak, it goes on for like half an hour and 1 hour, so I didn't have that much time, so I just didn't pick up.
Yeah.
But what I would like all of you guys to start doing from now is just pick up, even if you can speak for 2 to 5 minutes, but you will feel good. मेरे लाइफ में एक और कोई तो है, कॉल उठाते ही बोल दो कि ब्रो मुझे 10 मिनट में निकलना है, और I have a meeting, I have something in like 10-15 minutes, so I can only talk for this much, but hey, nice to talk to you, what's up, क्या चल रहा है, catch up करो, लोगों से टच में रहो, like it helps. So don't just be like किसी के साथ प्लान बनाना है तो कोई क्रेजी कैफ़े में जाना है, कुछ अच्छा होना चाहिए, हम एक पूरा संडे बाहर जाएंगे, 2-3 घंटा घूमेंगे, इट्स ओके, गो फॉर अ वॉक फॉर 20-30 minutes टुगेदर, be on call for just 10 minutes together, do anything random. You want to go to the grocery store, they also want to come along, do some like casual hangouts. Every hangout should not always be like a huge plan or some work.
You know, also like a lot of people who watch our videos are young people, right?
Yeah.
And I have a sister, younger sister, and the worst thing that has happened to this generation is 3 to 4 years went in COVID, right?
Yeah.
So I remember that when my sister was in class 9, and from 9 to 12 she did in COVID basically, right? So it was all online lectures. So I asked her, and she said she doesn't know her classmate names.
Oh.
So you know, like when you don't know the
just
people,
the Zoom call देख
yeah,
कर
just like she just knows people, but she doesn't know them actually,
Yeah.
right? And इसमें क्या होता है ना, you make most of your friendships at this age,
Yeah.
because now you have the brain to do conversations, right? And when 9 to 12, when you're deprived of having that physical connection with people, it's very hard, because what else will they even talk about?
Right. I think COVID ने काफी ज़्यादा ये harm किया है सब लोगों को, मतलब even the most extrovert person, the impact of just sitting at home for 2-3 years and not going out and not talking, बहुत लोगों का social skills and all that ऐसे एकदम से कि लो मेंटेनेंस हो गए थे, राइट? हम लोग मीम्स भेज के बात कर लेते थे, वीडियोस भेज के बात कर लेते थे. सो नाउ व्हेन थिंग्स आर बैक टू अ लिटिल बिट गोइंग आउट एंड डूइंग स्टफ, people are a little hesitant to reach out to talk, and that's one more reason. So either you have genuine social anxiety from before where you don't approach people, yeah, now this is like this learned behavior where it's like कॉल कौन करता है यार आजकल, मिलते थोड़ी है यार. सो दिस न्यू स्टफ हैज ऑल्सो इमर्ज्ड. So the genuine fear of like talking to people and all that we'll get into later, but some basic causes here that we noted were like social media, spending a lot of time online,
leaving home to work abroad, or to like even in India, like you know, moving from cities to work, hustle culture, multiple
priorities, like you prioritize your work too much. So all of
going
these
for instant gratification, जो चीज़ आपको instantly खुशी देती है, you know, like more than like when you meet a friend, more than focusing on talking, constantly just taking pictures and recording moments. It's very good to record moments, but if you're only doing that, I think that's something you should think about.
And like we were discussing before, like people were having free time and they wanted to talk to people, but instead of nurturing their friendships or reaching out to people, they were okay with spending time on apps like Omegle, where you can chat with strangers for 10-15 minutes. अपना मस्ती किया, बंद कर दिया, never have to speak to that person again. But they would not rather connect with their friends, but they would rather do this.
And you know, मैंने देखा है काफी, even my friends, when I see their story, they are reposting एक reel viral हुआ है जहाँ पे लिखा है कि like you know, if you spend 7 minutes also of your time with your friend when they are going through something, it helps them not consider something big, right? And I'm just like, do people really apply that in real life? You know, it's easy to share that, but do you actually sit and listen to your friend for 7 minutes? You know, because आजकल people are very quick to judge, like it's okay, हो जाएगा, ठीक हो जाएगा, like you know, don't worry, चल. So I feel like that's something people should think about.
सोशल मीडिया ने जितना हमें कनेक्ट किया है ना, उतना ही डिस्टेंस भी किया है, बिकॉज आई थिंक we are very hesitant to call, we are very hesitant to message, we are sitting in the corner alone and crying and feeling like किसी ने आ जाना चाहिए, हमें देख कर और help कर देना चाहिए, but we forgot that we have to actually tell people and reach out, which is difficult, understandable, but without that we cannot create social systems and support. And even people on the other side just feel like अरे यार अभी नहीं, I'm busy or whatever, but it's taking those 5 minutes out to reach out or to listen to someone. Just listen also, it will really help. अब इन चीज़ों पर हमें सब लोग बहुत सारी एडवाइस देते हैं, स्पेशली पेरेंट्स जो सबसे फनी और वियर्ड एडवाइस देते हैं, which never works by the way. So let's talk about some advices that just are very generic and probably are very like ऐसे कि काम ही नहीं करने वाले, and some things that actually work.
So I think I'll start with something that a lot of people say is I should just keep myself busy. or you know sometimes people tell others कि just keep yourself busy, you'll be fine.
बिजी रहो, फील ही नहीं होगा
Feel
लोनली.
I feel like that's like a painkiller for things that are hurting you, because it's like उस समय तो your pain will be numbed by that.
Yeah.
But is it actually healing you? Is it actually helping you with the root cause? It doesn't. So I don't think like keeping yourself busy will help your loneliness.
बेसिकली आप बस सप्रेस कर रहे हो किसी
Yeah.
चीज को, यू आर ट्राइंग नॉट टू फील इट, बट लाइक आई सेड बिफोर, व्हेन यू आर अलोन एट नाइट ऑन योर बेड, यू विल रियलाइज कि पूरा दिन तो काम ही कर रहा था. मतलब you want to talk about it, you want to share your stresses, something, but people need human connection to survive. So you can't just keep yourself busy and then numb your way out of this. That won't work. But something that can work, especially for people who are actually this busy, is something like the casual hangout that we were speaking about before.
Yeah.
At your workplace itself or wherever, if possible, go with those people only for a 5-minute coffee break, for something. During lunch, make it a point to shut off your laptop and just talk to the people around you. Or on weekends, run errands with people. अपने को grocery shopping जाना है, लेकिन एक दोस्त को साथ में ले चलो कि देखो 1 घंटा है, वहीं पे बात कर लेंगे, वहीं पे घूम लेंगे. But keep company in very simple ways. Never needs to be a grand plan or a long plan. But you can just go for small outings like this, or small time frames where you can just call somebody and ensure that you still have human contact in your life.
Yeah. I also think that a lot of times people say that I will handle this on my own. मुझे नहीं चाहिए कोई और की support, you know, to
हाँ, मुझे
battle
किसी की
my
ज़रूरत
loneliness.
नहीं है, ठीक है,
Yeah.
नहीं है तो मैं खुद देख लूँगी.
You know, इसमें क्या होता है? It's like saying I can live without water. ठीक है? You can live without water for a certain amount of time. कुछ समय
for
तक
1 या 2 दिन ना, उसके बाद मर जाते
maybe 1 week. You'll fast for 1 week. But उसके बाद at some point you will need water to survive, right? Because we are social human beings. We need connection. So even if you say I'll handle it on my own, it is not a healthy way, because in the end we are meant for connections. We are meant to be together with people, talk about things together. So I don't think like telling yourself that I'll handle it on my own like will work.
Yeah, and this kind of like hyper independence also sometimes could be like a sign of trauma or something,
Or
that you
masking
need
loneliness,
to,
basically.
yeah, or you are again like just trying to suppress it कि अब अलग ही कुछ मतलब फील में चले जाओ कि I don't need anyone. But it does not help, and you will end up somehow little bit damaging your own emotional state also in the long term. And relationships also, like people around you, they understand कि ये बंदा पता नहीं, they label it as attitude and ego, but it could be like a cry for help, that they actually really want someone to ask them and be with them, but they are behaving very ऐसे कि नहीं चाहिए because they want actually really want somebody. One thing that can actually work is the 3-2-1 rule. अब ये न्यू आया है मार्केट में, मतलब मेरे लिए तो 3 is 3 times in a week you either message somebody or you call somebody. अब ऐसा नहीं कि अभी के अभी 3 लोगों को मैसेज करो, ऐसा नहीं है. Just throughout the week, just stay in touch with 3 people that you care about. Doesn't ऐसे भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि मतलब मैं सिर्फ अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड से बात करूँगा. Some casual people also, but who you like to speak to, it works. But stay in touch with 3 people. Some people you will be comfortable calling, some people messaging, but ऐसे stay in touch 3 people. 2 is 2 outings. So एक हफ्ते में 2 बार आपको बाहर जाना है with somebody. It can be 1 person, more people. Any type of outings, like we said.
And something small also works. Nothing big. You don't have to go out of your hometown. You literally need to go घर के कहीं पास also, like a cafe also works basically.
Yeah, even dinner के बाद आप नीचे walk पे चले गए and you meet some other people also walking, उनसे भी 2 मिनट बात कर लिया, but you're outdoors and talking to people. Try to do like anything, but हफ्ते में 2 बार बाहर जाओ. See where you can, you know, just have people with you or end up meeting somebody new in that, doing that activity. That's great. And then once a week you have to plan like an activity with somebody. So this now can be again any sort of activity, but this is the thing where you have to actually make a plan to do something. You can try like a new cafe, like we said, go to a new place, go to a tourist place,
pottery making, anything together.
Anything. So this is the 3-2-1 rule that you can follow to slowly start getting in touch with the real world again. धीरे धीरे करके अगर 3-2-1 में से सिर्फ 1 कर लिया, चलो कोई बात नहीं, but let's say keep these things in mind. Once in a while, whenever you feel down, तीनों में से कोई एक स्टेप तो कम से कम वर्क कर जाएगा. कोई कॉल उठा लेगा, कोई मिलने के लिए मान जाएगा, तो you will feel like a lot better, and slowly if you incorporate this regularly, your weeks will get better. Like she was saying before कि मेरा social media देख के आप सोच भी नहीं सकते कि मैं lonely हूँ, और जैसे मैंने बोला सारे यूट्यूबर्स मैं सबको जानती हूँ, तो सब lonely है because we work from home, right? So that's what we were talking about कि loneliness एक तरीके का दिखता नहीं है, मतलब कि जो हमेशा अकेले बैठता है, जो किसी से बात नहीं करता, वो lonely है, वो ज़रूरी नहीं है. Maybe they enjoy their own company, and somebody like me who posts a lot on social media could actually be lonely at home. So loneliness doesn't look a certain way. हम जैसा imagine करते हैं हमेशा वैसे नहीं होता है. There are many hidden signs of it also. So can you tell us about those?
Yeah, so there are multiple hidden signs of loneliness. One could be overconsumption of social media. Like, constantly scrolling because you're somewhere avoiding, being lonely. So you're constantly scrolling. Second, I think a lot of people don't realize is buying unnecessary stuff.
Yeah.
You're buying unnecessary stuff to fill a void. So that could be a sign of loneliness. And
बैठे बैठे order कर दिया.
हाँ, excessive sleeping, because sometimes क्या होता है, loneliness is very emotionally draining. So you sleep a lot because you kind of get fatigued also by feeling a lot, right?
Okay.
So that could be one major sign. Sometimes people deeply attach themselves to fictional characters. To avoid feeling, they kind of attach and they don't realize that they're actually feeling lonely. Okay.
Yeah.
And like one sign that a lot of us don't realize is being overproductive.
Okay.
Where तुम बार बार अपना काम इतना एक्स्ट्रा काम कर रहे हो दिन में ताकि you don't have to sit and feel lonely.
Right.
So overproductivity can sometimes, not all the times, be a sign of loneliness.
Right. Makes sense. I mean, ultimately, even people who are lonely, they start just sitting at home and creating imaginary scenarios in their head and imaginary conversations like that, and वैसे अपना time काट लेते हैं, or like watching a lot of shows and getting attached to those characters as well. And if you don't have anything if you don't have anything to be productive, then you just end up sleeping it off, or
Basically
just
avoiding
doom
everything.
scrolling,
Yeah.
anything to like divert your attention from that feeling.
Yeah.
So all these are signs of loneliness, and if you notice somebody around you, like especially parents, if you feel like, oh, my child doesn't talk to anyone but they game all day or they use their phone all day, maybe you could ask them about this. Is it that they are choosing not to go out to play, or is it because they don't have any friends out, या ऐसा कुछ है? तो maybe you can dig deeper. It's not like ऐसे busy है तो कुछ कर रहा है, अरे the child is entertaining itself, it's not crying, so it's fine. They might actually have some emotional wounds that, or some loneliness that you can address.
So I think we spoke about what loneliness is, क्यों होता है, काफी सारे hidden signs, what to tell people instead of what we usually tell people, and I think we have covered almost everything about loneliness. In case we have not, I think we can reply in the comments questions about loneliness.
नॉट वेरी पर्सनल क्वेश्चंस कि मेरे इस फ्रेंड ने मुझे ये बोला, उसने मुझे धोखा दिया, और वो मतलब हम इतना स्पेसिफिक सिचुएशंस पे एडवाइस नहीं दे पाएंगे, बिकॉज अगेन लाइक वी नीड कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ टू एक्चुअली हेल्प यू. तो प्लीज़, और अपनी भी पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में पूरा का पूरा ऐसे मत लिखा करो कमेंट्स में, बिकॉज इट्स अ पब्लिक स्पेस, अदर पीपल आर रीडिंग. आस्क लाइक जनरल क्वेश्चंस, हाउएवर यू आर फीलिंग, शेयर दैट. वी आर देयर इन द कमेंट्स.
We can only try to create a safe space. We can't guarantee a safe space ever in a public space.
Like how other people will react, we can't be sure of that.
Exactly.
तो questions पूछो, we'll definitely answer, but do try to avoid posting ऐसे पूरा life का story. But we are there for you in the comments, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Follow us on Instagram and subscribe.
Yes. And do comment what your favorite part of the episode was.
Yeah.